Sophie, I think it's about time really that we did our major thing now. So this is really all about the paper planes now. Now there are some rules. I'm just going to quickly grab the rules and just let you know what they are. So if you're going to take part in the paper plane challenge, what you've really got to do is make sure you start with an A4 piece of paper. That is really, really important. And you're going to make your paper aeroplane. You've got 60 seconds from the time it starts until the end of when we finish making it. And then you've got to throw it, you've got to measure the distance, and we need a video of you throwing it. One continuous video from where you start the throw to where it ends, and then show the distance. And then you can submit that through our Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, using hashtag Engineering Open House Day Paper Plane. And obviously include the child's name and age, as we have 3 prizes up for grabs today for different age categories. So that's 5 to 7, 8 to 10, and 11 to 13. Once we've received your submission on social media, you'll be added to our leaderboard, which is here. And we might, we'll be able to add you in and put all the different times, different lens times, that would be weird, different lens. And so remember to get yourself up here with our engineering experts. Terms and conditions apply, so please do head over to our website before you join in. So let's have a quick go at practicing what you've preached then, Sophie. So hang on, I need to get myself ready as the paper plane adjudicator. We're live here in the studio, so you're going to see me leaving things all over the place, dashing around. It's going to be mad. But I've got my lab coat. I think it's a janitor's coat, really, but it's sort of thing. We've got the official measurer, the line of pay, and we've got the whistle and the stopwatch. So, you got some tactics? This you've been practicing?
I have been practicing, but I'm notoriously bad at this.
Really?
So I'm not sure how this is going to go, but we'll give it a go. That's
any colleagues giving you any top tips?
Yes.
Do you want to name them and shame them now before you start?
No, I'll be nice and I won't name and shame them. But I've been told two top tips. One is to make sure your mass balance is correct, so you've not got too heavy a front and you've not got too heavy a butt as well. That's important.
Right.
Nobody wants a heavy butt. And then the other tip is to make sure you have a nice clean fold, to make sure it's nice and tight.
This isn't sounding good for my aeroplane, to be honest now. So are we ready to have a go at this in the room? Are we ready? Yeah. The very first paper plane challenge of the day. So I've got the stopwatch, the official whistle, we've got the measurer, and we're ready to go. So here we go. Oh, hang on, I've just started it, but you see, you can tell it's live. My stopwatch has gone already. Let me clear that off. Okay, are we ready? In the studio. 3, 2, 1. And she's off. She's going. So you're just going for a straight fold over the middle there.
Yep.
And is this going to be a dart style? Or are we going for it? It looks like a dart style to me. It's like one of those thinner ones.
It is.
Really nice, clean folds there.
Thank you.
We've got 12 seconds on the clock now.
Perfect. And I'm going to fold it down. And this is to create a bit of weight
This
at the front.
is very interesting here. I haven't seen one of these. We've got 20 seconds there. There's no panic. Very calm here from Oh, this is an amazing looking thing. This is almost origami. You've got 30 seconds left, Sophie. 30 seconds.
Hope I get it done in time.
And she is absolutely smashing this. That is an amazing looking plane. This is 40 seconds. Are you going to do a bit of decoration if you get time?
Oh gosh.
If you've got some coloured pens at the end, if you only got 15 seconds left.
Actually going to put a bit
Okay, we've got coming up to
on.
10 seconds. She's putting all the little, what are they called? Stabilisers.
Stabilisers,
Okay, we're
yeah.
at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done.
That's it. Have you done?
I am done, yes.
Fantastic.
Don't know how I'm going to throw it, but we'll see.
Right, well, this is going to be really exciting in the studio. If you come over to our white line over here, Sophie, you've got to stand here. Now, you can do a run-up.
Oh, I feel like that would be very bad.
You can do a run-up at home as well. If you run up, you must let go of your paper aeroplane before your feet go over the white line, okay? So you can run up from the other end of the studio, but you must let go. Otherwise, you'll have a DNF, did not fly. Okay, and that'll be on the board, all right?
No.
I've got to stand here in my position. We've got our favourite friend at the other end, India. She's going to put a little golf flag out where you're at. I mean, she's probably...
You might want to come a bit closer.
Exactly, I was just thinking she might need to get a bit
far.
closer, yeah. And so where it finishes, if it keeps sliding, that's fine. That's it on the runway landing, okay? So are we ready then?
No.
So, okay, let's have a go then. So let's have a big clap here and a big... Let's give it a 3, 2, 1.
Terrible. Look at that. Look at that. Like, that is why we don't play this game.
We needed the wind tunnel on that one, didn't we?
did
So
need
we're
a
going
bit
to
of
stick it
wind.
there. Do I need to measure this even,
No,
Sophie?
I don't think you do, to be honest.
Are you going to be able to go back to work?
No,
you can't
it's
fall
embarrassing.
over as well. Come on, you can't fall over as well. Let me just, actually, do you know what? It's where the edge of it. We're going to give you an extra 5 centimetres there.
I appreciate that generosity.
Right, there you go. Right, so this is the official measurer. It's about that far. I could just put about that far, couldn't I? Look, we'll get down and we're going to shine our little laser beam on here somewhere there. Oh, no, there. 1 meter 43.
As long as it beats a meter, I am happy.
1 meter 43. Right, we're going to put you on the leaderboard. I mean, woo! Big round of applause. Big round. So, Sophie, shall I put, aeronautics engineer?
No, please don't.
Okay, right, here we go. What was it? 1 meter 43.9. There you go. That's beautiful. So 1 meter 43.9. I mean, the great news is you are
I'm technically
at the
first.
top. You're technically first.
I'm going to take that.
Well,
Thank you. No.
thank you so much. Well, I mean, you did. I mean, it was a beautiful looking plane. I bet if you picked it up and had another go, it would go miles, to be honest. So, you happy with that?
Absolutely not, but I'm going to just let it be.
And what do you think could have gone better actually with it?
I think that might have been my launch technique more than anything. Just a bit shoddy.
Well, currently first place, Sophie, but whether you'll stay there, I don't know. So I think there'll be a few people getting further than that. We had someone yesterday who came in, who's our next president of the IET, Sir Julian, and he did 7.91 meters, but it didn't count because it wasn't officially part of the competition. So I'm sure there'll be people at home beating you too. But thank you so much for joining us, Sophie. It was brilliant having you in the studio. And we'll keep our eyes, and everybody at home, I'm sure, will keep their eyes peeled to see whether you make it as an astronaut in the future. That would be amazing.